probably have a hard time hearing me over this, but while the generator's running, if I get very close, you really won't be able to hear me at all. Anyway, you see that little gas can? Oh, right there. That's what's feeding gas to this old generator. We have worked on this thing. We ordered a new carburetor for it. It seemed like it worked all right, but the thing would run just a few minutes, even maybe sometimes up to an hour, and it would just stop, like you turn the gas off, but there'd be a full tank of gas on it. So I took the gas tank off of it, and it was full of debris and rust and all kinds of stuff. This is a temporary fix for this generator, but we're going to look up and see what it costs to get a new gas tank for it. But for right now, it's working. It's a little bit of that engineering that we did, but it's working. We can put over half a gallon of gas in that little gallon gas tank can while it's sitting like that. Excuse me. But anyway, we have to do something to try to run the freezer a little bit every day. We're just using it for a refrigerator. So this little generator is now really doing a job. We changed the oil in it. I've had this thing for a long time, and I already had the carburetor replaced once by a mechanic. It cost me right at $100 to get that done, and then it kind of set. And I guess it got gunked up on the inside of it. Anyway, so we looked around online and found we could order a carburetor for it on Amazon for like $11. And if I signed up for free shipping, for Prime, I could get free shipping. Well, guess what? I got it for free shipping. No shipping at all. $11. Put it on, turn the screws a little bit to adjust it, and it works just fine. It also runs this little washing machine. It's a little higher, or higher, however you say that, H-A-I-E-R. Portable washing machine. Takes us maybe an hour or hour and a half of running that generator to get all of our laundry done for several days. Because there's really not that much laundry to do. So tomorrow will be laundry day, and I'll try to get out and show you that.